In today's video, I'm going to show you in two different ways to outline text in Figma. First, press T to activate Type tool and type in your desired text on canvas. Select text, and in the fill section on the right hand panel, click on color swatch and choose to remove fill. It's optional if you want to text to be hollow inside. In the same right hand panel, find stroke section, click on the plus icon to add stroke, and you can choose stroke color by clicking on color swatch. After adding stroke, you can adjust stroke width to make outline thicker or thinner. Ensure stroke element is set to outside for best visual effect. This option is located directly beneath stroke color in the panel. You can still edit text content and other properties like letter, spacing, or size, and this method keeps your text fully editable while giving an outline appearance. To converting text into outline shape, again use T key to type in text. Make sure text has fill color by selecting text and adding fill from the right hand panel. Right click on text and select add-on from the context menu. Alternatively, you can use shortcut Ctrl+E. Flattening converts text into a vector shape, effectively turning it into an outline version where each letter is now separated shape. Double click on text to enter vector mode. You can now individually adjust anchor points, reshape letters, or customize vector shape however you like. Before flattening, it's a good idea to duplicate your text so that you retain an editable